Hello and welcome to another DFR Morris Minor video. Today the video is going to be all about replacing the exhaust. The exhaust in my car unfortunately has blown at the silencer. It's been on the car for about 10 years and it's time for a replacement. Here is my new exhaust. It's a 3-piece system. The piece that's on the car currently is a 1-piece system. So I'll also be replacing both the brackets that hold the exhaust in place, the bracket holder pieces, but I will not be replacing the rubbers, as the rubbers that are currently on the car are perfectly fine. I will also be replacing the exhaust manifold clamp here. The one that's on the car is okay, but I'm just going to replace it anyway. So this is the exhaust which is currently on the car, and the box is totally blown itself inside anyway. So the brackets themselves are quite well rusted, so I've already sprayed them with lubricating oil and they should be relatively easy to remove. We shall now start taking the exhaust off. So the first step of this process will be removing the bracket off of the manifold, because that's the bit that could be tricky. It's full of exhaust sealer and it could be difficult to remove. So first thing is remove the air filter cover and the air filter, just to give some better access. So start by removing the exhaust, not the exhaust, the accelerator return spring. Spring successfully removed. Also remember to refit this bracket, which is what the throttle return spring attaches to. Okay, I've now got a 13mm socket attached to my ratchet, and then what it should be. Funnel. Right, that's moving. Okay, so we've got one free. Excellent. Try the second one. And it's free. Okay. That's excellent. Sorry if you can't see this particularly well. Okay, let's undo these now. I've not disconnected anything underneath the car yet, as I'm conscious I may have some problem getting this off here. Got it. There it is. As everybody knows, the exhaust goes up and over the axle, so it's not possible to get off in one piece unless you start lifting the car, which I'm not going to do. This is the thing about Morris Minors, there's plenty of space on them to work even without jacking the car. Jacking points in my car, of course, are solid, perfect. No reason not to use it, but I'm not going to trail out the jack for now. So incredibly rusty. I may have to take a hacksaw to this one. I've got a hacksaw. Make sure it's a metal blade you've got. This is a new one. Space is limited. Got it. That's one side. Yeah. Get off. Yes. Got it. Okay, you rejoin the action. That is the exhaust pipe removed. I've taken everything off the back bracket. I had to use that hacksaw for cutting a lot of the exhaust off as well. I couldn't film it because it was just too difficult. Here's the new exhaust. Sitting here. 3-piece. Use this assembly paste. Assemble. So this is the exhaust that I removed from the car. As you can see, it's well worn, welds, and in a very poor state. I've got reason to believe this could be an original exhaust off of my car, as my car's hardly done any miles. It's been off the road since the 1980s. It could well be. Leave in the comment section if you know. I'm ready to start putting the new exhaust on. I'll start the silencer end, poke it up through the hole there, not attach it to a manifold yet, slip the pipe in with that fire gum on it, then attach the bracket to the back of the exhaust, put it in there, put the end bit on, that's it. Okay, I'm back once again. That is the exhaust complete. Unfortunately it was impossible to film it because it was just too difficult. But there's a new clamp in there. Okay. Fire gum all around that. I haven't tightened the clamp up overly tight because if you do you could crack the manifold. So just do it until it's tight. Don't keep going overly tight. Right? I put the throttle return spring back on. That's working perfectly. I will be putting this air filter back on in a minute. Underneath the car, we've got a new silencer, which is fitting fine. Well, slightly bigger silencer, but it's plenty enough space underneath. The back there's another connection where it goes into, and a bracket there holding it on. I didn't replace that wee bit there because it was okay. And the back has got a new bracket on it as well. This exhaust isn't quite as long, but it seems to be okay. That's it all done. So as I say, I'll leave in the comment section how I get on with this exhaust, but I hope it should be fine. I don't see why it would be a problem. It seems to be alright. So there you go. Okay, thanks for watching and happy motoring.